I am back with another sweet potato video. I know I've been saying I'm making more sweet potato recipes, but I was out sick. Anyways, we're back, and today I wanted to show you a copycat kimchi fries recipe. So there's a local burger joint near our place where you get these amazingly delicious kimchi fries. The serving is huge, and I kid you not, I can finish them all on my own. They have the layers of flavor that I'm about to show you, but they make theirs with white potatoes. Now, as you know, I'm all about healthy recipes, so I figured, hey, let's try this recipe at home and with sweet potatoes instead of white. So here we are. Sweet potatoes are the perfect base to this recipe with just the right amount of sweetness to balance out the heat from the kimchi and the savoriness of the fried egg. So, why sweet potato, you ask? Well, I just wanted to give it a healthier spin because sweet potatoes are actually lower on the glycemic index. They have a lower glycemic load, which simply means that you won't have as much of a spike in your blood sugar as you would with white potato. And simply because I love it. Sweet potatoes are great for inflammation. If you're trying to crowd out your cravings, sweet potato is a great complex carb to add to your diet. And that's why I decided I wanted to make sweet potato kimchi fries. Now, of course, you don't want to eat too much. Moderation is key here as well. But it just is the perfect combination for what I'm trying to achieve here. Now, while the sweet potato is baking up, we want to add layers to this dish. And one thing I wanted to replicate was the spicy mayo that this restaurant adds to their kimchi fries. So to some mayo, I'm just adding some sriracha, salt, garlic powder, and mixing that up. I also add some soy sauce or coconut aminos if you want to keep it Whole 30. And that just brings some umami flavor to the spicy mayo bit, but it's totally optional. And now that the fries are ready, I just layer them in a dish and add the kimchi, which is so good for your gut with the probiotic. And on top goes the fried egg, some cheese, and I like to add cheddar cheese that I shredded, some ketchup, and drizzling the spicy mayo on top. You can garnish with spring onion, cilantro, and your dish is ready to go. Give it a taste test, get that yolk out there, and I promise you this is going to be your new favorite way to eat sweet potato fries. It's nourishing, it's healthy, and like I always like to say, just make sure your ingredients are the best you can find and enjoy this dish. I hope you try it, and if you do, please let me know how you liked it. You can take a picture on Instagram and tag me so I can see your creation. You can get this full recipe on my website. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes, and I'll see you in the next one.